Hello, my name is Teresa Artaza from Tecnalia. I am the activity leader of Daedalus project, which is the acronym for Direct Energy Deposition Machines with Integrated Process Algorithms under Dedicated Monitoring and Control System. The Daedalus consortium during this year 2020 has been formed by three partners: Tecnalia, which is a research center in Spain; LMS, which is the Laboratory for Manufacturing Systems and Automation of the University of Patras in Greece; and Prima Industry, located in Italy and which develops and manufactures laser systems for industrial applications. These three partners have collaborated to develop the Daedalus project. The Daedalus project has been centered in direct energy deposition technologies, which have increasingly gained interest in the industry during the last years. These technologies are assumed to have a great potential to change manufacturing standards, but still don't have the sufficient maturity needed for that purpose. The Daedalus project has been responding to this challenge by developing monitoring and control systems for two different energy deposition technologies: laser metal deposition and wire arc additive manufacturing. The proposed solution is based in a selection of different sensors for each technology that could be integrated into any machine. The process knowledge gained during the project will be crucial for the development of a control system that could be also integrated into any machine for taking advantage of the installed sensors that will increase process reliability and reproducibility, making direct energy deposition more attractive to industry. The project is not being financed for the next year, so the consortium won't have time to fully develop the monitoring systems, and thus they will not be available for commercialization. Despite this, as said before, crucial advances have been made during the Daedalus project that could suppose a big difference in the industry due to the high representation of direct energy deposition technologies amongst additive manufacturing. To finish, we would like to thank the EIT for funding the Daedalus project, for developing the mentioned monitoring systems, and for gaining knowledge about both processes. During this year of project, apart from increasing our knowledge of the process, selection and first testing of the sensors for both laser metal deposition and wire arc additive manufacturing has been carried out. Moreover, a simulation tool has been developed for simulating both LMD and WAM. We will try to continue working in this line by finding funding in other programs, because in our opinion it is a very interesting solution for direct energy deposition technologies. If you have any doubt or question, I will be available in the EIT Summit. Thank you for your attention.